When Callum Von Moger is right in front of you, going to the Fit Expo. What the fuck?
God.
Alright, what's going on everyone? I have just got back from Australia. It's now day 2 of the LA Fit Expo and I am in a Koala onesie. Alright, I've got my pouch because we all know that marsupials have pouches, my little fanny pack here. And we're going to go now to the LA Fit Expo and I will be taking Koala transport from Mozilla. Oh, I'm holding my helmet. You thought I was wearing it, but I tricked you. Right now, time to fuck shit up. Not really fuck shit up, but just go cause some chaos at this expo. No. Catch you later.
My God.
That's ridiculous. Can I jump his shoulders?
Good? You ready?
Yeah, I'm good. Oh, fucking shoulder, right? Holy shoulders. Holy shit, dog.
Okay, alright.
Alright, we're good. Fucking Koala free world. You the fucking Bring me some eucalyptus.
Hello. What's up, Koala?
Fucking Koala kids. You right, Ricky boy?
Front double bicep.
Yeah.
Left front. Heck yeah, man. Time right there.
So can someone get this dude a protein shake? Love you, Nick. Sounds good.
You don't wear anything under that?
Nothing. Like a naked koala. Naked koala free. Yeah, no, I don't have any anymore.
Where are they?
This right here.
Where's the rest of them?
Popeye's got it. You take me from the bush, but you can't take the bush out of me. You get my shoulder? Yeah, you want to? Yeah. Alright. Come on, where's my koala? Blinky Bill. Oh, check out this shit. Let me jump in there.
Oh, shit. Yeah, go in there. Jump the fence, jump in.
We made it. We fucking got out of there.
Callum, bro. Any messages? Quality games. Alright, man, it's not bad. A lot of people here. Yeah. That's your line there, you see it?
Okay.
Hey John, I think they're here for you.
How's John going?
Hey, how's John doing?
Yeah, he's fucking sick. He just wants a drink. He's on there too, right? Alright, guys. Hey, help me. Hey, no, what's up? Chopsticks. Koala freaks. What's up, man? What's up?
Quality games, bro.
Yeah, koala freaks.
Gotta like, you gotta get the booty pop. Yeah, you should know, like,
Hey, no,
why-
I don't.
Yeah, but I didn't get the booty. I just got.
Oh, wait. This way?
Yeah, this is
Like, put your hands on this.
You gotta do last spread.
Like spread everything.
Your last spread. That's way better.
Show me the picture. I want to see
Now for real
oh,
booty
okay.
one.
Yeah, do it.
Or you guys flex and I'll do a booty one.
do it.
I don't know.
Yeah, look at my ass. Look at my ass. Is that good for Instagram or what?
That's how you get all the followers.
So I get some followers. Alright, show us some of these pictures. They're gonna be hilarious.
Yeah, check it out.
Yours is like, yours kicks ass.
Oh shit. Okay. Hey, that's a good one.
Alright, I got a fucking wall in the back
Okay,
of the
we gotta redo that one. You gotta back up so we get it wrong.
John! Is that you, John?
It's probably gonna be, that's probably the best photo ever.
See, dreams come true.
2017, that's gonna be the pick of the year. Just picking up girls. Girls.
Give her over the booth.
Yeah, let's toss them together. Let's have a toss off.
I don't think you know what that means.
Alright.
Is that Australian?
We're going to go to lunch at 1, so we'll be back.
Tossing it off.
Ready?
Good cut! Good cut!
Thank you very much, everybody, coming out today. Appreciate you all very much making time. And yeah, hopefully see you all next time. Until then, keep being fucking awesome and all that.
Like your pants, man?
What's going on here?
Transforming into my appropriate Koala transportation attire.
Is this your motorcycle safety gear?
This is my motorcycle safety gear. Look at those little fucking socky books. Those little fucking koala socks. That's how I climb the trees. Yeah, I've even got grip on them. Look, koala grip. That's koala grip. This is how I suit up.
Walk out with the helmet on.
Okay. Yeah. Catch you later.
And then put the koala thing over top of it.
It doesn't fit.
Does it fit?
No.
Yes. There you go.
It doesn't fit.
It's actually green stuff.
Okay.
You look like you're in Daft Punk.
Daft Punk.
Yeah. So Daft Punk's newest member. Quality Games.
Quality
From
Games.
Daft Punk. The third member, the secret third member.